Hi dear students, welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, I am going to discuss about some short tricks in mathematics. So let us have a discussion here. Suppose the trick 1. Suppose while solving some problems, root x plus root x plus root x plus and so on infinity is there. So what we can get it answer. So which is equal to 1 plus minus root over 1 plus 4x divided by 2. So this is the answer for this. For example, we'll discuss some questions. Square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus and so on infinity is equal to, here x value is what here, dear students? X value is 2. So clearly x value is 2 means we can write it as 1 plus or minus root over 1 plus 4 into 2 divided by 2. So which is equal to 1 plus or minus root 1 plus 8 by 2. For your understanding purpose, otherwise I will write directly root 9 by 2. So that is equal to 1 plus or minus 3 divided by 2. 1 plus 4 by 2 and 1 minus 3 by 2. It comes 1 plus 3 by 2, sorry. So 4 by 2, comma minus 2 by 2. That is equal to 2 comma minus 1. Among these two values, which one we have to consider is, so x is equal to minus 1 does not exist. So what will be, so the obviously x is equal to 2 is the answer. So for this question, the answer is x is equal to minus 2, dear students. Similarly, one doubt will arise, sir, if it is a product, what can we do? It's the same thing. If it is there in the product, root over x into root over x into root over x into root over x into root over x and so on infinity. So whenever it comes infinity, this value is obviously x will come, dear students. Whatever in place of x is there, that only answer comes. X should be greater than 0. Here x is greater than 0. So for example, root over 3 into root over 3 into root over 3 into and so on infinity. So the answer is 3. We can take it like this. Suppose the same thing, if it is n terms is there, square root of x into square root of x into square root of x into and so on n times. So what comes the answer? So the answer comes x power 1 minus 2 power n. So you remember, dear students, I will give an example also here. To understand this, I will give an example. So, what is the value of root 2 into root 2 into root 2 into root 2 again into root 2? The number 2 is how many times it is repeating? 5 times. So here n is equal to 5. So later on, in place of x2 is there. So 2 power 1 minus 1 by, in place of n substitute 5. So 2 power 5. So that is equal to 2 power 1 minus 1 by 32. So 32 minus 1 is 31. So 2 power 31 divided by 32 is the answer for the question. If it is like this. So one more example I will give, dear students, but not in the direct way. It is in the indirect way. How they will ask the question based on this. I will turn on the page and explain here. Suppose, let us find the value. Log, it is not only algebraic but also logarithms question, dear students. Root over x, root over x, root over x, root over x, 4 times is there. Root x. So how to do that? Find the value of log. So first we need to simplify this. Root x into root x, root x into root x. So x, how many times it is repeating? 4 times. So n is equal to 4. N is equal to 4. So this can be done as x power 1 minus 2 power n. N is equal to 4. 2 power 4. So x power 1 minus 1 by 16. X power 15 by 16. So root x, here base is there now. Root x can be written as x power 1 by 2. Now come to the question. Therefore, log root of x, root of x, root of x, root of x to the base x is equal to log. This value we got it as x power 15 by 16 to the base x power 1 by 2. We know the formula in logarithms. Log a power m to the base b power n is equal to m by n into log a to the base b. So by using this formula, we can write it as 15 by 16 whole divided by 1 by 2 log x to the base x. We know that log a to the base a, logarithm of n numbers to the base same number is always 1. So 15 by 16 into 2 by 1, which is equal to 2 ones are 2 eights. So 15 by 8 is the answer. This is the way you can do, dear students. I hope you understand. So one general question I'm going to explain. So good question, it is conceptually. The question is, one cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on 9 cube is equal to 2025. Then the value of 0.11 whole cube plus 0.22 whole cube plus 0.33 whole cube plus and so on 0.99 whole cube. It's a question mark. So how to do this type of question? This is a good one. Dear students, for your convenience, I'm putting like this. So 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and so on 9 cube. The value is given now. What I am doing is, so here 0.11 into 1 whole cube, can we write like this, plus 0.11 into 2 whole cube plus 0.11 into 3 whole cube plus and so on 0.11 into 9 whole cube. Can we write like this or not? So AB whole power n, A power m, B power n. So like this, it can be turned into 0.11 whole cube into 1 cube plus 0.11 whole cube into 2 cube plus 0.11 whole cube into 3 cube plus and so on 0.11 whole cube into 9 cube. So we can take common 0.11 whole cube. Later on 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on plus 9 cube. So which is equal to 0.11 whole cube. That means I already calculated, just I am writing 0.001331 comes into this bracket value already given. The 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and so on 9 cube is given as 2025. So if you do that actual multiplication of these two, you may get 2.695. So the answer for this, I hope everyone able to understand. Thank you, dear students. I'm going to end the session.